Hello everyone and welcome back to USA Cars Experts. On this channel, we break down upcoming cars, vans, and trucks in simple language so you can decide what really fits your needs. Today, we're talking about a vehicle that has always been about practicality, reliability, and value for money, the Maruti Suzuki Bolan 2026. The Maruti Suzuki Bolan 2026 continues the legacy of being a people's favorite for daily transport, small businesses, and family use. This van is not about luxury or flashy looks, it's about getting the job done efficiently. In the 2026 version, Maruti Suzuki focuses on improving comfort, safety, and fuel efficiency while keeping the Bolan affordable for the masses. From the outside, the Bolan 2026 keeps its familiar boxy shape, which is loved for its practicality. The tall roof and wide body make it easy to get in and out, especially for passengers in the rear seats. The front design looks slightly refreshed with a cleaner grille, updated headlights, and a more modern bumper. These small changes give it a fresher look without losing its simple identity. Inside the cabin, the Bolan 2026 feels more user-friendly than before. The dashboard design is cleaner, and the materials feel slightly improved for durability. Seating is designed for comfort during long daily drives, especially for drivers who spend hours on the road. The van offers plenty of headroom and legroom, making it suitable for families as well as commercial use. The rear area remains spacious, perfect for carrying goods, luggage, or extra passengers depending on the variant. When it comes to performance, the Maruti Suzuki Bolan 2026 is expected to feature an improved engine tuned for better fuel efficiency and smoother driving. It's not built for speed, but it performs well in city traffic and on longer routes. The light steering and compact turning radius make it easy to handle in crowded urban areas. This is one of the biggest reasons why the Bolan remains popular among drivers. Safety has also seen some attention in the 2026 model. Basic features like improved braking, stronger body structure, and essential safety elements are expected to be included. While it may not compete with modern SUVs in advanced safety tech, it delivers what's necessary for its category and price range. Overall, the Maruti Suzuki Bolan 2026 is a practical, reliable, and budget-friendly vehicle. It's ideal for small business owners, large families, and anyone looking for a dependable van with low running costs. If you want a vehicle that focuses on usefulness rather than luxury, the Bolan 2026 continues to be a smart choice. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with USA Cars Experts for more honest and simple car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.